guess what just arrived in the mail? Okay, so I ordered a Benu pen, and I've seen these pens and I always think they're pretty when I see them in somebody else's Instagram or videos, but bright colors aren't really my thing, in case you haven't noticed my feed on Instagram. I like very neutral earth tones, not sparkles, because I lived through the 80s and I'm kind of over it. But then I saw the Benu Talisman and Mistletoe, and it was green. So that was the first thing that caught my eye. And I don't know, I just decided to go for it. I placed an email alert with a few different companies because I wasn't sure who was gonna have it available first. And Goldspot Pen sent me an email alert on Thursday. It is now Saturday, and I have the pen here in my hands. And I've ordered from Goldspot Pens before. They have excellent customer service. And yeah, super quick shipping. So I'm super excited. So let's open this up. Okay, and let's just take a moment for the presentation of the boxing, because it's a really pretty box for a gift. And inside there's the pen and the cigar style pouch, I guess you would call that. And there's some information. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that cartridge. Holy smokes. Okay. Aw. Mistletoe stands for good luck and everlasting love. Aw, very cute. And I guess this is information about the pen. Yes. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Hold on, bear with me. I am so ridiculously excited. I don't even have words. This pen is so pretty. This is, oh my gosh, the sparkle in here is beautiful. All right, first of all, when I see this pen, when I've seen these in videos, it looks monstrous in people's hands. I don't know what it is. I have pretty small hands, so the fact that I can hold that like between my fingers, this is like a very comfortable fit for small to medium hands for sure. And okay, so it's a resin body. There was limited, it's a limited edition. I think they only made like 300 pieces or something of this. So it's a screw cap, resin body. Oh. So it's like a snow white, kind of like a winter white color. It's not like a stark white, which I love, because stark white gives me anxiety. And the sparkles are beautiful. And the green, oh, I love this pen. I haven't even written with it yet. I haven't even filled it. There's even sparkles here on the band. It's a number 6 stainless steel Schmidt nib. I'll put the cap down for a second. And comes with a converter too. Cool. Okay, so I don't even have to use the cartridge. Awesome, even better. I didn't even notice that in the notes. I'm just so excited to have this in my hand right now. Okay, the hardest thing is gonna be picking a green ink to go inside here. So I'm gonna stop here for a second, pick a few inks, and then make a determination of color matching here. Okay, so I took a few minutes to swatch a few colors. I tried Pelican dark green, but I just thought it was just a little too dark and I wanted something a little bit more festive. My favorite and one I fall back to all the time is Pilot Iroshizuku Shinryoku, which is very pretty, and it has some dark sheening in it, but I don't know, I just decided to go with Monteverde Emerald Green, which is another really beautiful green ink. And you can see from the shading there. So I sampled it on a few different papers. Yeah, I already played with it. Did you really think I was gonna wait for you guys? This is the Rhodia paper. This one's still a little wet. This pen writes beautifully. Oh, this is broad nib. I think I forgot to mention that before. And it writes beautiful, but on the Rhodia paper, I get a little bit of shading in the writing sample, not too much, and really not too much on the swatch, but that's still drying, but that's okay. And then on the Tomoe River paper, oh, this is a standard size. Something keeps hitting here. Oh, it's my bracelet on the table. Sorry about that. This is a standard size traveler's notebook, but I wanted to fit it in an A6 note journal cover that I had, so I cut the bottom of it off. I know I kind of hacked it a little bit, but it fits. And now I can. It's an insert for that notebook, and it actually comes up a little too light on here for my liking. It's pretty. It's still a pretty color, but it's more of a. It almost kind of reminds me of like Diamine Soft Mint here, but the writing sample is still pretty. So that's on those two papers, and this is my favorite paper of late, the Cosmo Airlight. I don't know, I've just been really enjoying writing with this paper. So I'm gonna bring this down a little just so you can see the writing sample. And I got it in Mistletoe. That's a broad nib. Should not have coffee before doing swatches like this. Anyway, it's beautiful. So that's it. That's the Benu Talisman. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everyone. And I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.